Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Friday, January 10th of 2020. And today for our morning announcements, we have some special guest visitors who are going to be helping out with announcements today from 4th grade. I'll let each one introduce themselves.
Riley, Lily, Isabella.
Thank you, girls, very much. They're also in the announcements for today so that you'd be able to see them there. So we'll start out with the announcements for today. So boys and girls, for our announcements, they're actually online now. So if you want to go to our Perry page that is online, you can actually see the announcements on one side here, in which it will go through all the announcements for the whole school year. And if you ever wanted to watch a video, all you'd have to do is pause it and then play the video, and you'll be able to see the ones that you would be in maybe for a certain day of the school year. So if you want to see the announcements ever, they're right on the Perry website page through District 100. Also, other announcements today that we have, so for January birthdays, we do not have any birthdays on the 10th, but we got a couple over the weekend. So happy birthday to Dakota Baez and Natalia Ortega-Willette. So happy birthday to you guys. I hope you have a great day this weekend. And then I have a couple of announcements, but the girls are going to be doing those, so I'll turn it over to them.
Girl Scouts after school. Early dismissal next week, Wednesday, 1:50.
January 15th.
January 15th.
There you go. And then, Lily, what's the lunch choices?
Number 1 is cheese pizza, number 2 is ham melt, and number 3 is American sandwich.
Thank you very much. And we'll go over to our part then for our pause today. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and we do have some students here from Miss Williams' 4th grade class, and they're going to be talking about expectations during inside recess time.
Clean up your mess. Don't yell it's clean. If you take any mess of the box, make sure you put all the pieces back.
Good advice. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Very good things about inside recess, especially over the next couple of weeks. We probably will have a little bit more inside recess days. Since it is Friday also, we do have a riddle of the day, and the riddle today is, why is an island like the letter T? So I didn't tell the girls who are helping out with the announcements today what the answer is, so they have to think just like you guys are to give me a response. Remember, you don't go out of your classroom to find me to give me a response to the riddle. I'm going to be out and about, and you can ask me then. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, that's our Pledge of Allegiance for today. Before we end our announcements for today, girls, is there anything else that you'd like to add for today's announcements?
Be good.
Be good. I like that.
Work hard.
Work hard. That's a good one, too.
Be nice to others.
Be nice to others. That's always a great one. All right, everyone, have a great Friday. Remember, if you know the answer to the riddle, ask it or answer it when you see me around, but don't leave your classroom. Have a great day.